Hey guys, welcome to Buzztown Confess. Subscribe to our channel for digital marketing tutorial videos. Do not forget to visit our website www.btownconfess.com.
Facebook remarketing. Yes, you heard it right. Facebook marketing is the topic which we are going to discuss today. So you must be wondering, is it something fact? Is it any mythbuster which is saying that we can do remarketing from Facebook? But yes, let me tell you guys, we can do remarketing through Facebook. You can remarket your visitors' website, visitors who have visited any page and left your website during their journey and have not purchased or not, followed your the conversion of your website, and you want to remarket them. You want to get them back on your website and do a transaction or do something which your website goal is, then you can do that through remarketing on Facebook, right? So this can be done in two ways. Before we start, guys, let me tell you that it can be done in two ways, or categorically it can be divided into two parts. That first thing, you can remarket those audience who has visited your website, and second is the audience. Maybe you have collected the data offline. You have their you have collected their mobile number and the email id. Then definitely you can reach back to them, targeting the campaign on that database which you have collected. And you may call that as a remarketing as well, because I feel like once you have interacted with the audience offline, and then you want your ads to be visible to them on their gadgets. So this is what I prefer to say this as a remarketing campaign, right? So without wasting your time, let's see how you can structure the Facebook remarketing campaign. It's very easy, guys, that you have to just log into your business manager or ad manager. So this is my business manager page. I'll go to ad manager. So I'll create the you how to create the audience, right? How to create the remarketing audience which you have to target, and that into have to add that into in the campaign, right? So I'll directly go on the audience tab, right? And we'll create an remarketing audience, and we'll show you how it is created and how it is added in the campaign, right? So this is and I'll tell you the prerequisite conditions, that there must be a activated pixel code on your website from that ad manager. Suppose this is my ad account, right? And from this ad account, I want to create the website audience for my this website, and this is the ad account of the same website. And considering that I've added pixel in this ad manager, I want to create the remarketing. If you have not added pixel, Facebook pixel on the website through that particular ad manager ad account, you cannot create any of the remarketing sizes, audience size, right? So I'll go on the custom audience. You can create lookalike and saved audience as well. So lookalike, you can only create once you have already any saved audience in your list, or you want to create a lookalike for your website visitors, or any specific page lookalike, right? And the saved audience means if you want to create some audience which you have already used in your ad, you want to save that audience and want to use the same audience as it is in any other campaign, then definitely you can do that as well. So but to create the remarketing audience, we'll go on the custom audience, and I will click on create a custom audience. So here we get we will get the list of the custom audience which we can create, starting from the website as a source. So this is our target factor to create the remarketing audience who has visited our website. So this is our the target factor. I'll just go through each of them. This is something customer list which I was talking about. If you have any database in your hand, you can also use that, upload that list here, and your campaign would be start delivering to those database which you have collected. App activity, if anybody has interacted your app. Offline activity, I mean, if you can over the phone or something like that, then you can use those data here also. And video, if anybody has watched your video. Lead form, if anybody has submitted your lead form. If anybody has participated in your events or shown interest, you can get back to on business profile. If anybody has visited your Instagram business profile, if whosoever is on your Facebook page, and the instant experience audience as well, right? So these are the factor. But to create the website remarketing audience, I'll go on website, and it will show me that pixel through which it will create a remarketing audience. So you can see bust on context pixel I have created from this ad account, and bust on is this website of mine, and I want to create a remarketing audience. So it would ask you what are the factors you want to, so you can say any or all. So I'm choosing any of it. Now it will show you that what is the factor you want to choose. So here it is available, the bust on pixel, and then it gives you list here. Now this is something very interesting. Now uh, there are factors through which you can create the new audience for yourself. So you can either target all website visitors, or you want to target any visitors for any particular web page. Suppose you have created, you ran any campaign in the past on any landing page, and you want to target the retarget the visitor of that particular page specifically, then definitely you need to choose this option. And if you want that it will be covered for all website but only for the visitor who has spent more than 2 seconds or 4 seconds, then you can definitely provide this factor from here. Or if you have created any event, so I have only created one event for my website, so that is why it is showing only one. But if you have created any more events like purchase, add to cart, so suppose you want to reach back to the audience with the coupon specifically, especially those who have added product in the cart but not purchase. So now that your pixel is saying there are numbers of say x number of audiences who have added products in the cart but have not purchased. So if you have created that add to cart event, it would be visible here, so you can select that event and run the campaign based on that add to cart audience. So currently I am considering that I am targeting to all website visitors in past. So now it depends on your marketing expertise. Maximum you can go up to 180 days, not beyond 180 days. So if you enter here 181, it will give you an error that it must be less than 180. So you can keep 180 or equal to 180, right? And again there here is a catch. It's a kind of a bonus tip which I use. So suppose you want to target any visitor who visited your domain on any page of your website, which suppose you are running multiple campaigns. Some you are running on Google ads, some you are running Facebook ads, some of you running email ads, but all is being executed on that single domain www.abc.com, just an example. And every landing page is associated with that domain, and you want to target each and every audience who have not purchased but visited your domain anywhere. So you can say all website visitors in last 180 days, right? But then you have to exclude those who have visited your the conversion page, the thank you page. So you can exclude that audience from here. So people who have visited a specific web page, right, in 180 days, and URL contains, or you can say contains. So you can say success, it depends what your URL parameter is. I'm considering that is the success checkout success page. So I'm saying I want to set up my remarketing audience for all the website visitors in last 180 days, those who have not visited success page, and those who have not visited the page which having success in its URL, that means they have not converted. So of course this is my the prime objective is of the remarketing campaign. So you need to name this audience and create audience. It's very simple. You just have to apply your logics, and you can see it's created here, remarketing, the name which I have given. And instantly you cannot see the size because it takes some time to populate the audience, right? And but now you can see the remarketing audience is created. Now we can go to the ad manager and see how this can be added in any of your campaign, any existing or new campaign who in any of you want, you can add this audience. But from where to add, I'll show you quickly, right? So suppose any create campaign, and let it, I'll continue the existing one, and from the ad set I'll directly go to the audience to quickly show you from where you can add this audience basically. And it will override any running audience in the current campaign. So see, if you click on it, it will show you all the saved audience in your particular ad account. So currently it's showing remarketing which I have created, right? So it will show you size not available. It will show you after some time, once it's populate, it will show you the name, it will show the type. So means whether you are whether you have created this from a website or from database or from video views. What is the source of this, the audience. So you can select this audience, you see remarketing, and if you want to give the combination of any other thing, it would be applicable on this. And you just have to continue and publish. So this is very simple, guys. Simple way of using the Facebook remarketing feature, and it's very effective. Till now it has been counted as one of the major platform to run the remarketing campaign, because the chances of conversions is very high, and the cost is very optimized cost being provided by Facebook ad manager. So you can also structure one of the campaign for the remarketing, and let me know if you face any issue. I'll definitely come out to you, and will try to support you and reach you in any form. Do drop the comment as a feedback of yours, what is the improvement or suggestion if any for me. Thank you, guys. Keep supporting us, keep